And so what is happening in the summer? How are we feeling in the summertime? How do you feel in the summertime? Joy says she drinks a lot of turmeric tea. Yes. Live, summer, burst of energy, hot, absolutely. And so, with the heat of summer, you absolutely want to make sure that you are staying hydrated. Summer is all about creativity. There's a lot of energy, especially in the city. A lot of us are spending time traveling. We're going to the parks, we're going to the beaches, and the summertime is a season when herbs are in abundance. Herbs, fruits, vegetables, the farmers markets are full of colors and vibrancy. And so, again, it's very hot. So you probably don't want to turn on a stove, much less eat anything hot. So we've definitely moved away from the heavy foods of winter, and we are eating a lot more cooling foods. So let's talk about some of those herbs and spices that can help us regulate this coolness and can help us just feel better from all that heat. I mentioned calendula earlier. And so besides having calendula tea or just looking at the pretty petals, again, it's very soothing on the skin. So if you have any kind of irritation, whether it be eczema or heat rash, calendula oil, any lotion, any kind of skin products that have calendula can be very helpful. Then we have holy basil. Holy basil is one of those adaptogen herbs that I mentioned. And again, a number of ways to use it. You can prepare a tea, you can add it to your salads. If you are looking, they also have the tea already prepared in the tea bags, as they do many of these herbs. However, you'll probably see it by another name. It's also called Tulsi, Tulsi. Tulsi and holy basil, they're the same thing. And then we have lavender. I think many of us are familiar with lavender. It just smells amazing. It's very relaxing, whether you add it to your bath water or again to your tea or your salad dressing. Another herb that it just screams summertime to me. Then we have licorice root. Licorice, something that you can chew on, something that you can add to your water. And then parsley. Parsley, it's one of those herbs that we see in the supermarket year round, as do most things. But again, find different ways to use it. You can add it as an addition to your summer soups, or to, again, your salad or your omelets, or as a accent to a dish that you're preparing. But or a smoothie. That's what I meant to say. Summertime is a great way to consume more smoothies, more juices. And so having any one of these as an ingredient in a smoothie or a juice, again, is another great way to not only stay cool, but to make sure that we are getting our recommended servings of fruits and vegetables into our daily diets. And so this is a simple green smoothie that I like to share with people. And it just consists of some mango, some ginger, some spinach. As you can see, it's heavy on the greens, except for the mango that is used for the sweetness. And if mango is not your thing for whatever reason, guess what? You can substitute it. Use pineapple, use peaches, use grapes, whatever you do. But I want to encourage you that you want to use more greens and just use a little bit of fruit for the sweetness. And so smoothies, again, another great way to get your herbs, get your greens in, as well as to support your immune system.